We are the angels in the rafters, angels on the roof, in the basement, and on the front lawn. Do not forget to entertain strangers, for by doing so, some people have entertained angels without knowing it. We were strangers when we met, but now, through a common bond in gold, we are angels to each other and to people we have not yet met.
I wanna die laughing, wanna love till it hurts, wanna smile with the joy of a 2-year-old.
There was kids playing down the street, and 6 months ago the street wasn't here and those houses weren't there. And I sat down here and watched the kids play for a while. It was and you wonder, do they know what's really going on here? Yes, they're in a new house, but do they really know what's going on in this neighborhood?
That's just knowing the impact that this program, not me specifically, but this program is making on their lives. Because the whole purpose of this program is to empower women. And we do that by teaching building skills in a non-threatening learning environment. I said that I would match the first $1,000 that comes in by June 15th. And I'm writing that check because I'm confident that it's going to come in. But I need each and every one of you to go into your circles. There's a letter on the website that says, this is what we're doing. We're in danger of stopping our project because we need funds.
It's going to be coming to a halt. If we don't start raising money, we will not be able to finish Maria's home this year. We change, like I said, not only the volunteers' lives, they improve. We build the homes for these families, but we're changing neighborhoods. This here was once weeds, a field to the top, and now we have a street and we have houses here. We're building, we're changing communities, we're changing neighborhoods, and I want to see that happen all over. I want to be able to build, women build themselves. Right now we do 1 house a year. I want to see us building 4 and 5 houses a year. I want to see communities changing all over. And that can happen with, like I said, simple dollar donations from everybody. It adds up. It adds up. We're putting a plea out there to everybody. We do not build houses, we build homes, we build lives, we build dreams.
I'd like to see us be able to build more than 1 house a year. We have the volunteer support, we just don't have the money. If we got a corporate sponsor every year to even do half the house, right now we have half of our money. And it's kind of up in the air where the other half is coming from. So if we had a sponsor, we could do 2 houses a year because we have that much interest in it. I mean, we got 50 people out here today, and they keep coming back year after year.